Policeman found dead at his home in St. Catherine. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Police investigators are probing the circumstances surrounding the death of a policeman whose body was discovered at his home in Green Acres in Spanish Town, St. Catherine on Wednesday morning. Preliminary investigations have also pointed to the likelihood that the policeman might have taken his own life. The Corporate Communications Unit (CCU) of the Jamaica Constabulary Force confirmed the incident. "We don't have much details yet, but we are trying to ascertain more information from investigating officers who are currently on the scene," a representative told Link 007 TV News. "We'll continue to track this story and provide it more information to come on this. Thanks for watching."